Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designed smooth cinematic tones using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and review the tonal range carefully. Smooth cinematic tones require gentle adjustments rather than dramatic ones. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that subtly influence color without strong contrast shifts. Choose one that enhances moods softly and reduce opacity until the effect blends seamlessly. Add a curves adjustment layer and slightly lift shadows while softening highlights to create a smooth tonal gradient. Use color balance to refine overall tone direction if needed. Zoom in